Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a OneNote notebook, whether you're organizing work projects, taking class notes, or managing personal tasks. Creating a dedicated notebook in OneNote helps you keep everything structured and easy to find. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft OneNote app on your computer. Once the app launches, you'll see your existing notebook load up on the screen. This is your workspace where all your notes and sections are organized. If you're already familiar with OneNote, you'll recognize this layout immediately. And if you're new, don't worry, it's incredibly intuitive. Now that your notebook is loaded, let's move on to creating a brand new notebook. The process is actually quite straightforward. Start by heading to the File menu, which you'll find located on the top part of your screen where all your menu options and tools are displayed. Click on File, and the menu will expand, revealing several options for managing your notebooks and settings. From this expanded menu, look for and click on the option labeled New. This is where the magic happens. Once you click New, you'll be prompted to select a location or directory where you wish to store your new notebook. OneNote gives you flexibility here, allowing you to save notebooks either on your local computer or in the cloud. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll be using a local directory directly from the computer so you can see exactly how the process works offline. Next, click on Browse. You might notice a browse icon appear again, so go ahead and click on that as well. This action will open a File Explorer window on your screen, giving you full control over where your notebook will be saved. From this window, simply navigate through your folders and select the destination where you wish to have this notebook stored. Choose a location that makes sense for your workflow, whether that's in your Documents folder, a project-specific directory, or anywhere else that's convenient. After selecting your folder, you'll see a field where you need to fill in the notebook name. Type in a clear, descriptive name that reflects what you'll be using this notebook for. This makes it much easier to locate later, especially if you end up creating multiple notebooks over time. Once you've filled in the name, click on Create. The app will process your request, and within moments, you'll see your brand new notebook appear on the left side menu of your Microsoft OneNote interface. It's now ready for you to start adding sections, pages, and all the notes you need. And that's it. You've successfully created a new OneNote notebook and chosen exactly where it lives on your computer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.